Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we're about to unveil the secrets to achieving a glowing and cleansing skin through a well-planned diet and healthy activities. So, if you're ready to transform your skin and radiate confidence, keep watching. First and foremost, a healthy diet is the foundation of beautiful skin. Incorporate a variety of fresh fruits and vegetables into your meals. They're packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote skin health and combat free radicals. Narrator VO, alongside a balanced diet, regular physical activity is key. Engaging in exercises that increase blood flow helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells, resulting in that coveted radiant glow. Stress can wreak havoc on your skin, causing breakouts and a dull complexion. That's why it's important to practice mindfulness techniques, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises, to reduce stress levels and promote overall skin health. Narrator VO, hydration is a vital aspect of achieving glowing skin. Make it a habit to drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day. Water flushes out toxins from your body, keeping your skin hydrated and refreshed. Developing a consistent skincare routine is crucial. Cleanse your face twice a day with a mild cleanser and follow it up with a moisturizer suitable for your skin type. Don't forget to apply sunscreen daily to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. And let's not forget the importance of a good night's sleep. During sleep, your body repairs and rejuvenates, leading to healthier and more youthful-looking skin. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Narrator VO, by implementing these diet and healthy activities into your daily routine, you can unlock the potential for a glowing and cleansing skin. Remember, taking care of your skin is an act of self-care and self-love, so embrace the journey and enjoy the transformation. Thank you for watching this video and joining us on the path to radiant skin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more skincare tips and tricks. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve